Vridhi Finance presenting Destiny Logistic Infra Limited IPO 2021. Previously, their name is erstwhile known as a Dynamic Logistic Limited. Destiny Logistic and Infra Company detail. Basically, this company is the same address given as um, as a dynamic service security company detail. Even their management is also same, guys. So we are even confused how there are two there are single management and there are single everything, and address detail is also same as going to give a new SME IPO, that is any, and that is also surprising us that this company has launching the around the same date of opening date, and closing date is also the same as that another IPO. So both IPO with a single management with a single company has launching on the same date. That is quite surprising by NSE, National Stock Exchange, we can say. Destiny Logistic Limited has registered 375 Dakshin Dhari Road, Kolkata 70048, West Bengal, India. So basically, this has started 28 July 2011, and this company has given a fresh name certification Destiny Logistic and Infra Limited on 7th September, means this month only, 2021. Yeah, you can say destinyinfra.in, but we are unable to find this. Everything, if we find something great, we will come back to you. Choice is yours where you wanted to invest it. We are not going to talk anything about this IPO right now. IPO detail, Destiny Logistic and Infra IPO detail. Basically, this IPO draft resemble with the Dynamic Service and Security Company IPO details. That's the reason we are not focusing much on this IPO. IPO opening date 30 September 2021. IPO closing date 5th September 2020. 5th October 2021. Fixed price issue IPO. Face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 20 rupees per equity share. Market lot size 6,000 shares. Minimum and maximum order quantity. Listing at NSE and SME. Basis of allotment date 8 October 2021. Initiation of refund, that is 11th October 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account 12th October 2021. Listing at date will be 13th October 2021. Pre-issue holding shareholding 99.72%. Post-issue shareholding 64.79%. Thank you by Vridhi Finance for this information. We will give the basically one of the link for this purpose, so you can please study from your end and then only invest it. Choice is yours anyways.